Are you mad, man? There's more fireworks.
Yeah.
Oh, we're back with the fire.
Play.
Yeah, play too. Yeah.
Alright, let's go, Jaden! Oh, go Hypex! Let's go, goes Hypex!
You know what the petrol station is?
Yeah, we know where it is now. We got it.
But I saw pictures and it's absolutely gorgeous inside. It used to write book all that.
Inside it's quite nice. It's just that the grounds are rugby pitches.
Yeah. It's actually bloody lovely.
Alright,
Yeah.
time for some more fireworks! 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 See if these are good. Oh! Yeah! Oh my!
Hey Dad! Nothing, I put it straight.
Yeah! Excuses. Oh, Daniel, you came down.
Yeah.
Daniel, who's your favourite football player in the city? Haaland. Haaland, just like his dad. He's a blue just like his dad. I'll have the Yeti hat. Haaland. Hey! Oh! Oh!
Martin, you're making a new one in the summer.
Yeah, Dad.
Sneaked that one, didn't you?
It was carpet. It was watching.
It's alright, because you're going to make me a new one in the summer.
Mom.
Yeah.
When are we? Oh. When am I going? When are we doing like the fire? When are we doing the fire? The colour changing fire thing?
It's already put it in. They'll put some more in a bit.
Oh.
Aaron, they're asking for the colour changing fire.
Oh, you missed it.
Yeah, you all went in.
Do you want to go and grab a couple off the top?
Wait, what?
Not the front, Aaron, not at the back.
Yeah, I will.
We missed it.
No, it's getting some more now to make the fire change colour.
Okay. Come on, Kissy, you gotta see this. Okay. Wow. I don't really care. What? Oh, Kissy.
No, I've just stopped
You know what, honey? I'm gonna go back in. I'm kind of getting bored. Well, it's your loss. Okay.
Where's my drink gone? Oh, mine's gone as well. Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Fireworks war! Fireworks war! Yeah! Fireworks war! What? Fireworks war. Fireworks war.
Aim it over towards them now. What do you want?
Fireworks! What do you think we won? Dad, what do you think we want? We want fireworks! Jaden, look! Jaden, come on. Oh! Shaded blue! Oh! Oh!
Take that.
Was the air more out? We're a little bit more.
We're better!
To the right a little bit.
Oh! Can you see that little bit there, guys?
Did you like that, Alex?
Yeah, that was actually scared me.
Yeah, a little bit more vertical
one.
to the right.
Oh,
To the right.
I'm joking, leave it, it'll be right. You might get a different angle off this one.
I don't know if you can see the bluish, but it's there. Oh, come on, come on, come on! Missile! Missile time!
Set it off for now.
He's like, trying to walk quick road. We can't till it stops.
Missile time!
Big one.
A massive one! Here we go! Ooh! Ooh! Nuclear bomb! Boom!
Yours them as well.
Best 20 quid that we've ever spent there.
That's yours them.
Let's go! Let's get it! Let's get it!
You like them big ones. You like the 25 quid one.
We're better! Let's get it!
Yeah, you do.
Chill. No, what chill? Let's get it!
Chill. One of the package jumped out of the fire.
No, put it back on.
Oh, put it on? Yeah. I can't get close enough to get it. It jumped out. Yeah, I threw it and it jumped straight back out.
Oh!
Just to show we're not run out yet. You've lost me now, haven't you? Saw that Catherine wheel.
Look at, I don't know if you guys, wait, can you guys see? Yeah, look at all that, we got more, boys! We got more! Oh, I got another spinner.
There's rubbish.
Yeah. We've got better than yours! Suck it!
Like camera.
Get it out then.
Yeah! Suck it!
That's enough.
Don't be saying that, Alex.
No, that's not nice. Don't say that, darling. That's very bad.
Blue. Blue! Oh! Oh, flip huggy. I fell. Yeah, you guys can definitely see that now. That is blue.
I'm gonna sparkle one again.
Please don't be a sparkler, I beg you. Yeah, there's nothing. Run! Holy flip! Oh! Flipping it!
We've got another wall going out first.
Let's do this! Something good! Something good! Something good! Got a good one. And now! Oh, got two! Oh, the smoke!
They're not sorry, Charles.
That was not right, George. Dana, do you want another pack?
I'm sick. Okay. Okay. Something.
Got it. Somebody else found it. Georgie. Wednesday night. Yeah. Tuesday night, sorry.
Dad, are there any any other that we haven't done yet?
No, not really, but
Make it better. Make it all like that, get more free money.
Well, I think that'll be it then for me. If there's nothing else good.
I thought that were it for you, Alex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they said that there's nothing else good. Mother of Thunder.
Oh, there will be some, yeah. There will be.
We haven't done
Still
these.
got big rockets and this.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
You know that speed clip?
What speed clip?
You know where he's in his bedroom and he lights some firework on.
Oh yeah. And he goes like, ah, 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 ah. That actually reminds me of it. Like just where he goes like, ah, 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 ah.
To be honest, it was quite funny.
Yeah. All right.
This is a big whistling one, Alex.
Whistling.
That's where I'm gonna leave.
Yeah.
Oh, flip. Can't miss this. Come on, whistle.
Is it like the
Whistle.
is it like the stuff you do in science?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
I remember doing that in class with me, like use like ID and
Oh, he just got the bullet ones. Those are shit like a bullet.
You've got the big one now.
Oh, come on, come on. I was gonna leave, but I want to see these. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I've got all these bullets. Oh, here's the whistler. The whistler.
how much? Yeah, well, 25 either way.
We got the whistler.
get your face from over it, for God's sake.
I thought that, but I've actually really enjoyed them. Yeah.
The whistler. That's the whistler. Time for the whistler! Oh God! Oh my! I'm to end it off!
It's like a fucking war, yeah.
Oh my God!
He's back, he's back.
I want to see the others.
The mother of thunder.
What is the mother of thunder? Oh!
3 more.
Oh! I thought that was going to hit. Mother of thunder!
Oh, yeah, we are. Yeah.
Can we try the mother of thunder?
To look at it, be positive.
Dad? Can we try the mother of thunder? That one?
The mother of thunder.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have a mother of thunder. I'll have that next.
Yeah!
That's not one firework though, mate.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to enjoy this. Let me just get through.
No, we haven't gone out of it so far. The first one that we started.
Okay. Yeah, mother of thunder! Mother of thunder!
Get someone on fire first, though.
Yeah, Mum! Mum, did you hear of £1 land rockets? I don't think you did.
Did it work that, Martin?
We're gonna get the mother of thunder, Jaden.
Yeah, I know. So I came out of it for...
Why, you heard me? Say the mother of thunder.
Fire.
Fire! mother of thunder, 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 mother of thunder time.
Family, you never guess.
Mother of thunder.
Oh, look at the colour on the fire.
It's green. Why is it green?
Who's that? Martin. All right.
Why is the very top of it green? It's about to go out.
Shut up, I'm telling people. They're in trouble for this.
No one's even heard you, so what are you on about?
He said he's having his burning cable, the casing off copper cable. No, that'll do that.
Yeah, Dad.
You left behind, you're burning it off today.
Time for the mother of thunder, mother of thunder, mother of thunder, mother of thunder.
Said we have one.
There's loads of wood there.
Mom,
What, love?
it's time for the mother of thunder, mother of thunder, mother of thunder. Wait, this isn't the mother of thunder.
This is.
It is, trust me.
Oh, it is. Okay. Come on, mother of thunder, mother of thunder, mother of thunder, mother of thunder, mother of thunder. Oh my God! Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom!
Sick. You know what I thought? I felt something hit me over here.
Yeah, something hit me over here.
Pepper bother and stuff.
That was a good one, that. That was good, wasn't it?
Yeah. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah. That was very good. I like that.
Heck yeah.
No.
What?
Yeah. Say that. Yeah.
Yeah, well, that was awesome. But I think I'm going to end it here. Yeah, see.
Don't forget that over here. 3, 5, 4, 5. 2
Wait, are they all different, Mom?
Yeah.
All these Mother of Thunder's different.
Yeah.
No, I don't know if they are all different.
Yeah, there's 4 in the one box, mate.
So I always fun until we started trying. Yeah, we actually didn't start the fire. The fire started itself. Well, I'm going to pause it here until we get to the other Mother of Thunders, Mother of Thunders, Mother of Thunders, Mother of Thunders. Well, my phone's on 5%, so I'm going to end it here. See you later, guys.